And next topic is control buffer register. Okay, control buffer register which control the loaded inputs. Okay, here in this four flip-flops are used, D1, D2, D3 and D4. Here clock pulse, same clock pulse is applied to the all flip-flops. Okay, and observe, this is CLR is the clear part, this is the low. Okay, so we note the here bubble is there. Okay, here bubble indicates the active low input. Okay, active low input CLR is the clear. It is used for the clear the inputs. Okay, clear the inputs for all flip-flops. Okay, here in control buffer register which is used to control the loaded inputs. Okay, here load is either 0 or 1. The load conditions are either 0 or 1. 0 means low and 1 means high. Low is high. Okay, load is 0. The load is 0, that is the low, and load is 1, then it is high. Okay, load is 1. When load is high, then input bits are loaded to the flip-flops. Okay, 4 flip-flops. Here first see the load condition is 1. Okay, the direct line is 1 and here also 1, 1, 1. And next inverter is 0. The 0 is here and here also here and here. Okay, second AND gate 0, fourth AND gate 0 and sixth AND gate 0 and eighth AND gate is also 0. And next any of the input is AND gate input is 0, then output is also 0 and here also 0 and sixth AND gate output is 0 and eighth AND gate output is also 0. And next any of the input is high, AND gate output is also high. Here 1 into x1 is x1. Okay, 0 plus x1 is x1. And next 1 into x2, that is AND gate output is x2. 0 plus x2 is x2. And next 1 into x3 is x3. 0 plus x3 is x3. And next here 1 into x4 is x4. 0 plus x4 is x4. Okay, here the x1 input is loaded to the first flip-flop D1 and x2 input bit is loaded to the D2 and x3 input bit is loaded to the D3 flip-flop and x4 input is loaded to the D4 flip-flop. Okay, this is x1 inputs are loaded to the flip-flops or registers. And next see the load is 0. Okay, and next see the load is 0. Okay, this 0 is connected to the direct line 0, 0, 0 and 0. And inverter is 1. This is 1 and this is 1 and this is 1 and this one also 1. Any of the input is 0, then first AND gate output is also 0 and here 0 into x2 is 0 and 0 into x3 is 0 and 0 into x4 is also 0. And next here and second AND gate input is q1. This is q1 and here 1 into q1 is q1. 0 plus q1, that is q1. And next here fourth AND gate input is the here q2. This is q2 is here and 1 into q2 is q2. 0 plus q2 is q2. And next here sixth AND gate is input to the q3. q3 is here. 1 into q3 is q3 0 plus Q3 AND gate output is, sorry, OR gate output is Q3, and here 1 into 8th AND gate input is Q4, 1 into Q4 is Q4, 0 plus Q4 is Q4. Okay, and here the condition is load is 0, then output inputs are Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. There is no loaded the input bits. Okay, here the condition is load is 0, the input bit is not loaded the flip flops. Oh, okay, don't reach here, not reach the input bits to the flip flops or flip flops or registers. Okay, only when load is high, the input bits are loaded to the flip flops or registers. Okay, this is the overall about the control buffer register.